Hello, this is Stephen Withrow with Webicator. In this video I'm going to show you a solution the iOS blog admin team came up with for how to create an Objective-C bridging header. The admin team agreed to let us create this video showing their solution, which is available as an article on their blog at the URL shown here. An Objective-C bridging header is helpful when we wish to use Objective-C functions from a Swift project. We might apply this if we have a library or API written in Objective-C. A library is a section of Objective-C or Swift code that you would call from your Swift or Objective-C function or method. An API is the actual interface to the methods or functions in a library. An Sdk Software Development Kit is a library that is dedicated to helping us develop code for particular types of systems. For example, we might have a 3D graphics application. The toolkit is like an SDK. We can think of the UI kit, which we use in iOS for user interface widgets. And a framework is a very large library like the NS Foundation, which allows us to call functions or methods for commonly needed programming tasks. The Facebook iOS SDK is written in Objective-C, and if we wish to use that within a Swift project, we would need an Objective-C bridging header. To create the Objective-C bridging header, we would use the File menu option and select New and then File, and select the Objective-C file template. Then we would be prompted by Xcode to see if we wanted to create an Objective-C bridging header. To illustrate how to create an Objective-C bridging header, I have created an Xcode project and I will apply what the authors have discussed in the blog. I'm going to select File from the menu bar, New, File. I will select the Objective-C file template, click Next, and I'll give the bridging header a name. I'll call it Bridging Header. I'll click Next, and then we'll create the bridging header. And now we get the prompt that the authors referred to in the blog. Would you like to configure an Objective-C bridging header? I'm going to click the button that says Create Bridging Header. And we have the Objective-C header file generated in our project. Thanks again to the blog admin team for the inspiration for this video. Check out their blog at the URL shown here for other articles related to iOS development.